Hello, my name is Adaventure of the Woman Workshop. Today on this segment, how to. I want to talk to us about, do you like my tray? Alright, I'm going to talk to us about how to make a smoothie for under 500 naira. Okay, there is absolutely no way all these things on your table go for 500 naira. And I agree. But then, when you buy a watermelon for 500 naira, which was the exact cost of this, and then you get your pineapples for 300, which was the cost of this, and you have your avocado pears, these three for 500, yeah, 500 here in Lagos. So how do you magically whoop all of these things together and get a smoothie for 500? Simple. And this is what I'm making for just me. Yeah. So you cut your watermelon and preserve the rest in your fridge. So you have this, you can get an avocado and any vegetable for 100. Vegetable, yeah, because we just love vegetable. And maybe go with just saying garden egg leaves, yeah? So go with that, blend them all together, and you are going to get a very healthy smoothie. You don't need to go to any place to give you a smoothie, all right? And it will be all natural, and you would not even break your bank, still under 500 naira. And then another good thing about making smoothies for yourself at home is that you control whether to put sugar in it or not. When you go out, they usually mix stuff in it, maybe like sugar and all that, and you're running away from that because you want something healthy, right? So you get your watermelon, and then you get your avocado pear and get your garden egg leaves. Mix that inside. Smoothie, and your mama will be so proud of you. Try it. Tell her what you did, right? See you next time.